All right, stop, collaborate, and listen. Tech Nerd's back with a brand new invention. Actually, it's not my invention. It's the Knox Gear Hyperion vacuum tube hybrid speaker. All right, here's what we got. Some cords in here. Cords. Okay, I need both hands to do this. Nope, I guess not. Here's the speaker. Look at this little baby. It's actually not little, it's large. Now look at these tubes. This is, wow. You got the DC 12 volt on the back here, the power cord. There appears when I open the cord box that I should be able to see an adapter that hooks us up to a USB port on a computer. And then you've got your auxiliary output and the headphone jack. And then the controls are actually on the top side here. You've got standby, you've got different modes, you have Bluetooth, and then there's volume plus and minus. On the bottom it's got some rubber feet to prevent slipping. This thing's heavy, so I'm gonna actually weigh it real quick just to see how heavy it is. Comes in at almost 6 pounds. And then because I'm also curious about how long this is, I've got my Mia-Suring tape, I think Mia-Suring tape that goes up to 16 feet. It's like 14.5 inches long. Okay, final thing to unbox here is the box of cords. So that's the power cord that we talked about. And this. Okay, and so there isn't anything that hooks it up to your computer, but there is, if you bought a separate cord, you would be able to hook it up to a USB. The cord is sufficiently long as well. Thought I'd let you know. Time to see this kitty purr. Now these are not buttons. It says actually on the manual that they're touch enabled, so, and indeed they are. I've got the tubes lit, they're green. And so now I'm gonna try and see if I can get Bluetooth pairing done. Okay, so real quickly you have to touch your finger to standby, wait till it's green, touch your finger to the Bluetooth, and keep it down until it shows up on your phone or other device. And it shows up as Hyperion on the list. Okay, so I'm about to test out the Knox Gear speaker. I got it right here. And got my phone queued up. Bass is nice. Ladies and gentlemen, all things being equal, the Knox Gear is exceeding my expectations, and I'm loving it, and it's going to be my speaker in this office from now on. It's right there. See, it's right up there. It's so hard. Right there. That's it. If there's one improvement that could be made, I wish it could go wireless. It has to be plugged in at all times. But other than that, it's gonna be a sizzling 4-star review.